Hello all informers, welcome to the Lopius channel. In here, we will discuss some information that you already know or you don't know. Before that, let's opening first.
Today, at least 4 people have died and 60 others were injured in a powerful earthquake that struck the northern Philippines on Wednesday, the Interior Minister has said. A 7.0 magnitude earthquake struck the Philippines on Wednesday, according to the US Geological Survey, USGS. The quake struck in northern Luzon, the country's most populous island, at 8:43 a.m. local time, 8:43 p.m. Eastern Time, according to USGS. The agency originally designated the quake 7.1 magnitude, before downgrading it to 7.0. But do you know the biggest earthquake that ever hit this earth? See this video until end. Kamchatka, Russia earthquake, 1952. 9.0 magnitude. On November 4, 1952, at 16:58 Greenwich Mean Time, 4:58 local time, a huge earthquake struck off the coast of Kamchatka Peninsula, in the far east of Russia. It produced a great destructive Pacific-wide tsunami with waves up to 15 meters, 50 feet, which caused extensive damage to the Kamchatka Peninsula and the Kuril Islands, left an estimated 10,000 to 15,000 people dead. It was also very damaging in the Hawaiian Islands, but there were no human deaths attributed to the tsunami. The waves traveled as far as Peru, Chile, and New Zealand. In Alaska, the Aleutian Islands and California, tsunami waves of up to 1.4 meters, 4.6 feet, were observed. Tohoku earthquake, 2011, 9.1 magnitude. On March 11, 2011 Friday, at 14:46 with the local time, 5:46 Universal Time Coordinated, a massive undersea megathrust earthquake off the coast of Japan occurred. The earthquake triggered a massive tsunami with waves up to 40.5 meters, 133 feet, high. It was one of the deadliest in human history. The waves traveled inland as far as 6 miles, 10 kilometers, and caused extensive and severe structural damage in northeastern Japan. Airports, roads and railroads destroyed, 127,290 buildings totally collapsed, 272,788 buildings half collapsed, and another 747,989 buildings partially damaged. A dam collapsed. The tsunami also caused nuclear accidents, primarily the level 7 meltdowns, means a major accident, highest level, see notes 2, at 3 reactors in the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant complex. On March 10, 2015, it was announced that the confirmed casualties were 15,894 deaths, 6,152 injured, and 2,562 people missing. Sumatra earthquake, 2004, 9.1 magnitude. One of the deadliest natural disasters in recent history, the 2004 Sumatra earthquake, also known as the 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake, occurred at 0:58 and 53 seconds Universal Time Coordinated on December 26, with the epicenter off the west coast of Sumatra, Indonesia. It ruptured the greatest fault length of any recorded earthquake, spanning a distance of 1,500 kilometers, 900 miles. The resulting tsunami, with waves up to 30 meters, 100 feet, high, caused up to 250,000 deaths. The earthquake had also the longest duration of faulting ever observed, between 8.3 and 10 minutes. It caused the entire planet to vibrate as much as 1 centimeter, 0.4 inches. Total energy released by the quake was 4.0 by 1022 joules, 4.0 by 1029 ergs, or 9,600 gigatons of TNT, 550 million times that of Hiroshima atomic bomb. The vast majority of this energy was underground. The energy released on the Earth's surface was estimated at 1.1 by 1017 joules, or 26 megatons of TNT. This energy is equivalent to over 1,500 times that of the Hiroshima atomic bomb, but less than that of Tsar Bomba, the largest nuclear weapon ever detonated. The resulting tsunami was given various names, including the 2004 Indian Ocean Tsunami, South Asian Tsunami, Indonesian Tsunami, the Christmas Tsunami. There were also hundreds of thousands of Christian tourists in the areas affected by the tsunami, and the Boxing Day Tsunami. Great Alaska Earthquake, 1964, 9.2 magnitude. The 1964 Great Alaska Earthquake, also known as Good Friday Earthquake, occurred at 5:36 p.m. local time, 3:36 Universal Time Coordinated, on Good Friday, March 27 in the Prince William Sound region of Alaska. It lasted approximately 4.5 minutes and is the most powerful recorded earthquake in U.S. history. The earthquake triggered 27-foot, 8.2 meters, tsunami which destroyed the village of Chenega, killing 23 of the 68 people who lived there. Survivors outran the wave, climbing to high ground. It also caused a massive underwater landslide. Port Valdez City Harbor and docks were collapsed, 30 people perished. A total of 139 people are believed to have died, 15 as a result of the earthquake itself, 106 from the subsequent tsunami in Alaska, 5 from the tsunami in Oregon, and 13 from the tsunami in California. Valdivia Earthquake, 1960, 9.5 magnitude. Also known as the Great Chilean Earthquake, Spanish, Gran Terremoto de Chile, it was the most powerful earthquake ever recorded. The earthquake hit on May 22 in the afternoon, 1911 Greenwich Mean Time, 1511 local time, approximately 100 miles, 160 kilometers, off the coast of Chile, parallel to the city of Valdivia. It lasted approximately 10 minutes and triggered a massive tsunami with waves up to 25 meters, 82 feet. The main tsunami severely battered the Chilean coast and raced across the Pacific Ocean and devastated Hilo, Hawaii. Waves as high as 10.7 meters, 35 feet, were recorded even 10,000 kilometers, 6,200 miles, from the epicenter, and as far away as Japan and the Philippines. The death toll of 1960 Valdivia earthquake is not certain. The total number of fatalities from the earthquake and tsunamis have been estimated between 1,000 and 1,600. About 3,000 people were injured.